Hello and good evening. I'm Amanda Alfonso. You're watching Goa 365. Our headlines at the hour. Communist Party of India Goa Committee demands rollback of fuel price. Karangzale Rapunkaratso Ekwat demands to move transhipper from Karangzale. Madai Bachao Abhiyan presents charter of demands to state and central government. And we bring you a snip into the life of Jason and Sylvia. We also had the movies released at the Inox today. Now the news in detail. As part of the nationwide protest against price rise and fuel rise, Goa State Committees of Communist Party of India organized a rally in Panjim today. Hundreds of CPI workers across the state participated in the rally. The rally started from Panjim Kadamba bus stand and culminated at Azad Maidan, where leader of the Communist Party addressed the gathering. Speaking to media persons, Secretary of the CPI, Christopher Fonseca, told us the reason for organizing this rally.
This is an immediate, spontaneous reaction, a decisive opposition, a decisive protest by the working class and the toiling people in Goa. It is to tell the central government and the state government that the kind of price rise that is going on, the unchecked and in fact partly and to a great extent heralded by the government, encouraged by the government, conspired by the government, that because of their wrong policies.
Reacting to inflation, he said that first the rise in commodity prices and then the rise in fuel prices had affected the common man the most.
This is the policy, this increase in the prices of all essential commodities, of living, of vegetables, of food, of everything. And then the last straw on the camel's back is the price that have affected. The 5 rupee increase in petrol, 3 rupees in diesel and 50 rupees on cooking gas. It has broken the back of the common man. It has finished the common man. Life is unbearable for the salaried people. Where and how, from whom do we get the kind of succor, the kind of wherewithal to maintain our life, our common life, our normal life?
He also put forward their demands.
We are saying that you roll back the diesel, petrol and also the cooking gas prices. We are saying that the government should seriously change its policies. We are saying don't export food grains. We are saying forward trading in food grains should stop. We are saying that the farmer has to be properly remunerated. The agricultural sector, there has to be more investment.
Mr. Fonseca said that they would continue this agitation until the central government changes their policies.
And this struggle, these rallies, these protests and also street actions will continue because people have decided to plunge into struggle. And these struggles will continue till the government, till the system changes its priorities.
The transhipper Andheri Nagri anchored off Karangzale beach just 50 meters away from the shore, turning out to be a hazardous to the locals, has created difficulties in their business, rendering them unemployed. Local residents from this area under the banner of Karangzale Rapunkaratso Ekwat came forward to highlight their problems and demand its immediate removal. In spite of the assurance from the Director of Fisheries and from the Captain of Ports to remove the ship hauler within 2 days, nothing has been done yet. Now the Karangzale Rapunkaratso Ekwat has been advised to file a written complaint about their problems to the concerned departments. Further speaking, Karangzale Rapunkaratso Ekwat Secretary Mr. Francis Vaz opined that if immediate action is not taken, then the locals will do the needful.
तर आम्ही मागता गव्हर्मेंटाला जावं डायरेक्टर ऑफिस कॅप्टन ऑफ पोर्ट्स ती इमिजिएटली तेणी काडची आनी जोरीतो ते काडिना 2 दीस वा आमी 3 दीस दिता जोरीतो ते काडिना आमी बाय फोर्स ती एंकरा वयली काडटले बाय फोर्स आमी ते दवरचे ना थिंगा आमी एंकर तोडून तेचो इबाड करून उडयतले मागीर आमचो तुमी गुन्यांव नुस्तेकारांचो करना सो बिफोर दॅट आमी एक्शन घेवचे आदी तुमी ते काडचे.
He also added that they are heading to meet the Fisheries Minister and the CM in this regard.
अंडर युनियन CRP गोंयच्या रांपोणकारांचो एकवट आमी GRP आमी सगळ्यांक लेटर मारतले ईच एवरी डिपार्टमेंट ट्युरिजम डिपार्टमेंट कॅप्टन ऑफ पोर्ट मागीर फिशर डिपार्टमेंट ट्युरिजम मिनिस्टर सगळ्यांक CMांक लागून आमी लेटर मारतले.
After a discussion with the captain of ports Mr. AP Mascarenhas and the director of fisheries Mr. SC Vernikar, the fishermen were assured that their demand to remove the transhipper would be fulfilled within 2 days. The Madai Bachao Abhiyan will present a 10-point charter of its demands on Goa's water security to the state and central government that was prepared after a day-long workshop which was held in order to discuss various important issues. Briefing media persons, MBA Chairman Nirmala Sawant spoke about the demands of the MBA. While pointing out that water is a human right, she stated that there cannot be private ownership of water.
Basic human right. उदक हो basic human right आशिल्ल्या कारणान हो sensitive जो पळय approach आसा तो government बारीकसाणेन विचार करून हाचेर जायती योजना तयार करपाची गरज आसा. ताच्या नंतर प्रायवेटायझेशन करपाचो अशें एखादें जर सरकाराच्या तकलेन आसा आसत जाल्यार अशें प्रायवेटायझेशन करपाक दिवं नये.
Speaking about the water policy of India, she said that it needs to be revised.
The government has to be very serious in implementing because we have got groundwater supply and the groundwater is not judiciously used. Anybody goes, takes the water by tanker, supplies to the hotels or supplies to the construction where the construction is going on. And ताचे पण जे depletion जाता that nobody has bothered to find out what is going to be the effect, what will be the level of groundwater.
The MBA noted that the precarious ecological condition of Goa and demanded a white paper on the pollution status.
What has happened की जे कितें घाण मेळटा ती उदकान उडोवपाची एक टेंडन्सी आसा आनी ताचे पसून ह्यो पळय जे रिवर्स आसा ते रिवर्स खूब घाण जायत गेल्ले आसा. Therefore we have to be very careful and we have to take care of these rivers and the tributaries. Similarly खंय हें जाता रेंव काडपाचें जाता dredging is done and they nobody bothers how it is done. ताचेरूय कोणाचो कंट्रोल ना and the rivers are not maintained as they were to be.
One of their other demands was that all traditional water harvesting structures in Goan villages and towns should be preserved.
Wells, lakes, they are to be preserved and they are to be replenished so that we get enough water throughout the year.
We'll spill into a short break now. Stay with us.